How to enable or disable TalkBack Diagnosis Mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on TalkBack. Then we go down and tap on settings. Now scroll down to the bottom, then tap on advanced settings. After that, scroll down, then tap on developer settings. In here, tap on diagnosis mode, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to turn on diagnosis mode. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.